Hello. To change the volume slider style on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all you'll need to go into the Galaxy store right here and take a look for this application called Good Lock. Simply install it, and as you do this you have to open this application and find this sound assistant right here, somewhere in this list of these plugins, and it is actually available all the way down. Right here you will find the sound assistant and you'll simply have to download it and then go into this plugin. And from here we can go into the make your own volume panel colors. We have to go in there, and here you can see we can change the style of it. So first of all we need to enable it. As we tap on this one, we have the preview of our current slider, and here we can change the lightning effect. As you can see, here are a lot of different kinds of lightning effects available. You can also change the texture, the mesh one or the acrylic one, as you can see. We can also change the control type. We can have the bar or the knob. The knob is actually the pretty interesting function right here, as you can see. And next we can also change the shape. The knob, we can make it smaller or bigger, but in case of the bar, we can actually make it longer or smaller, thinner, bigger, something like this. We can change its shape. Just basically, as you can see, here is the shape of the, as you can see, the square. Some kind of square. You have just a long thin bar, and that's basically all you can do right here with this slider. So yeah, that's basically how to change the volume slider style. That's it. And right now it also applies when you change the volume. It also applies to these sliders right here on these sliders here, as you can see. So yeah, that's how to do it. Thank you for watching.